Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You want to start by reading the markings on the tire sidewall now. Look for two common formats, the traditional inch form like 26x1, 75, and the ISO/ITO number such as 37-559. Once done, compare the numbers to the rim marking. Rims often show diameter like 559 or 622. Make sure to inspect both sides of the tire and the inner tube if visible, because worn print can hide critical digits, and you need accurate codes before measuring anything else. Now measure to confirm the printed info. Using a tape or ruler, measure the rim bead seat diameter in millimeters. This is the BSD and must match the ITO second number like 622. Next, measure tire width across the tread to verify the printed width, because some tires are labeled differently than actual width. Once you have BSD and width, you can correctly identify compatible replacements. Make sure the rim diameter and tire ITO match exactly. Otherwise, finally, pick a replacement tire that matches the ITO code to the rim BSD exactly. That guarantees proper seating. You can choose a slightly wider or narrower tire if the rim width supports the change, but check manufacturer limits first because too wide or narrow risks blowouts. Once fitted, inflate to the recommended pressure printed on the tire and inspect the beads seating around the rim. If the tire won't seat, shifts, or reads odd numbers, take the wheel to a shop as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.